Going on, guys? It is Raj here. Sorry it has been a long time since I have recorded a video, but today we are going to be doing the unboxing and setup of the graphite stainless steel Apple Watch Series 7. So without further ado, let's tear off this pull tab and start this unboxing, shall we? And over here to the left side, while I'm doing that, we actually have a screen protector and a extra power brick as well, which I'll just kind of set up on my own. That I'm not going to do on camera, but for today, we are going to be unboxing this watch and doing our basic setup. So midway through this video, I will have to switch phones in order to actually set up this watch, because I'm right now recording this from my 12 Pro, and that will actually not be able to record and also do everything at the same time. So that is the shipping box right there. Let's get that out of the way. And here we actually have the Apple Watch box itself. Now you'll notice this here, there is no plastic on it whatsoever. That is because Apple is trying to reduce their environmental footprint, and that is everything there is to it there. And as you can see, that is the specs right there. So that is graphite stainless steel. It's a 41mm case, and it has a pretty nice band in there too, which I'll show you guys. But without further ado, let's lift off these pull tabs here. I'm gonna try and keep the serial number and such covered so you guys don't see that, because I don't want you guys to see that. And here we are. So right here we have the Apple Watch itself. Let's set that to the side. And then we also have a charcoal braided solo loop. And this has a very nice smell to it. It's very Apple-esque. And then this is our nice little design right here. I'm going to set that aside. And we now will have two main boxes, our band and our Apple Watch. So let's get the main box open, which is the Apple Watch. And then this here, you also have some brand new pull tabs instead of plastic, like previous ones. So these you just simply grab onto and you tear off like so. And there's two of them, by the way. So let's do that. There we are. And without further ado, here it goes. Just have to shake this guy open. Or at least try. These boxes can sometimes be a little stubborn. Here we go. Has a brand new Apple Watch smell. Love that. And here we get the Apple Watch itself. Ooh, that looks beautiful. That already looks beautiful. That is the graphite stainless steel. Let's set that aside for just 1 second, and let's go through the paperwork, shall we? Got all of our documentation here, and we also get a charging cable in the box. So let's set that box aside. So this is the main accessories we get here. So we have the watch itself, we have the charging puck, and we have the documentation. Let's first go over the boring stuff, of course, the documentation. Let's save the best for last. And of course, that's all that's in there. So we have our warranty guides there. We just don't need to worry about those. We also have a set of instructions here. So these actually are just printed right here. They're quite nice and simple. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's just one piece of paper. So it doesn't fold out or anything like that, to my knowledge. Yeah, it's just one piece of paper. So it just shows you how to put on the band and how to charge the thing. So pretty simple stuff there. Most people know how to do that. And of course, as you can see here, we have the charging cable. And you'll notice this year, it is Type-C. So they actually switched away from the standard USB-A cable, and they actually decided to go to a Type-C cable this year, which makes the most sense, considering that the transition to Type-C has been ongoing. And you'll also notice at the bottom, there is also a brand new surface there. The old one, by comparison, used to be plastic, just like the surface of it there. Now it is a nice soft touch silver aluminum. So it is very nice and premium indeed. Now, let's move on to the main event, the Apple Watch. And this here, you'll notice that the actual casing it comes in is actually more of a paper material. It's not so much of a material that you found with the Series 4 and 5 as far as the sleeve goes. It's not that nice cloth material. It's more of a just paper mesh, which again is because Apple is trying to reduce their carbon footprint. But without further ado, let's take this guy out of the case here and let's admire the beauty of it. So as you can see there is the display. There is the actual speaker setup there, the blood oxygen sensor, the sensor array, and the actual display, which I'm probably getting fingerprints all over right now. Without further ado, let's also boot it up. So right here, I have the Apple Watch, of course, and my phone. So we just need to hold them close together here, and then we will have a nice little pop-up in just a moment. Let's see here. There we are. Then we get that nice little screen here. So we are now going to go through the process of setting it all up. And this is going to be set up with my 12 Pro, by the way. There we are. So we are now in the process of setting it up. And it looks like the latest backup from this was on the 28th. So we are going to restore from that, because much of the data did not really change from my current Series 5, so it's just connecting to the watch. And as you can see here, as a nice little comparison, these are the display differences between the Series 7 and the Series 4 through 6. I have a 5, but the displays are roughly similar. But as you can also see there, the case size is also a little bit taller. But yeah, with this kind of display here for the 7, the display actually bleeds over the edges there, if you guys can see that, which is very, very cool. Then, of course, I just have to agree to the terms and conditions. And it's just signing into my account, so it should just take a few seconds here. Actually, okay, here we go. Shared settings, okay. Bold text size, yes. Let's create a passcode. There we go. Let's enable blood oxygen. Keep the Apple Watch up to date. There we go. And it should be just a few more screens, and then we are all good, guys. And then I will also come back once it is fully set up and show you guys the new band and how it fits as well. Let's just continue with that. And then I'm going to turn this away for you guys because this is my personal information. Okay, and then we are now onto the always on display. Alright guys, this is going to be the brand new band for my Apple Watch. Let's get her out of the box. Let's see here. There we are. Okay, and then this right here is just the instructions on how to use the band, and this is the band itself. So without further ado, let's take her out of the box. And there we are. So that is my brand new Apple Watch band. and I'll come back in just a second and show you guys what that band looks like. And this right here is what the band looks like. So if you guys enjoy this unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.